Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Fundrise to start investing in real estate, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, visit the Fundrise website at www.fundrise.com. Once you're on the homepage, click on the Get Started button prominently displayed. You will then need to create an account. Provide your email address and a secure password. After entering this information, click on Create Account. Next, check your email for a verification link from Fundrise. Click the link to verify your email address. Once verified, return to the Fundrise website and log in to your new account. You will be prompted to complete your profile. Fill out the required personal information, including your name, address, and phone number. Now, you need to specify your investment goals and financial situation. This may include your annual income, net worth, and investment experience. It is essential to be honest and accurate in this section. After completing your profile, you will move on to the investment options. Fundrise typically offers a few different investment plans. Choose the plan that best suits your goals and risk tolerance. After selecting a plan, you will be asked to review your investment amount. Decide how much you want to invest and enter that amount. You may find minimum investment requirements depending on the plan chosen. Next, you will need to link your bank account for funding. Fundrise provides secure methods for linking your account. Follow the prompts to connect your bank account safely. Once linked, confirm the funding amount you wish. You will also need to review and accept Fundrise terms and conditions. Read through the documents carefully before confirming your agreement. After accepting the terms, submit your investment. You should receive a confirmation email indicating that your investment is underway. Once everything is set up, you can start tracking your investment performance. Log in regularly to monitor your returns and adjust your investment strategy as needed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.